how is the music entertainment industry in Venda? When I started, there was no industry, so it was very tough. Muzika wa Venda hachimwa traditional music, kana reggae, kana gospel. That was the only genres that existed when I started. So ala nikotoma muzika ni petru, nikotoma muzika, nikotoma industry ya muzika petru una industry. It's very tough. Like I remember when we started Venrep. Mwana munga tsiko nga batho ba ko penga uri bana ba penga nga repa nga Tshivenda repa nga Tshizulu repa nga Xitswana Tshivenda Xirepi Tshiremba gospel. So it was very challenging when we started. Back then has go thoma bana na Venrep, Venhop, Venpop. You know, so every genre started coming along. Ronobana Kwaito Yashu, Ronobana House Yashu, Limpopo House Yashu. So the industry have changed. This is going to be for 10 years because we can see the change. That's why we're true. Zunitwana Remuzuru Kwimba, Rimbonga Tshivenda. And I'm asking for the Yambami. And there's a guy in the Ritko Farimbo if I'm to Kozerko Rimbanga Chishona, Marsa Frozo Yambami. Because music is very, it's more diversifying. And then so the industry now you know baon nende bori ono bana ku industry kwashu kwa the bad kumezimo na kutsani nyange bana kilo bedu rap bo ndore ono bana na Limpopo industry now na bavenda babo kono uthomo phala. So yeah, it's no longer as tough as it was because now sirtho sika pitwa because those are la letra class to la Tshivenda one la artist ya Tshivenda now ribothomo recognize the award, the big concerts, they know uri okay Tshivenda chione. So I wouldn't say zona va tough man, zoba zwi tough mara rono swika stage chine rivonga vamwe vathu, you know, we pay for PR like Joburg people na rivo exchange at the slots on TV like vamwe vadzimwe chaka rune. The industry in Limpopo is growing, it's growing and very much ara rivone vasiu vamwimbi vachibva Limpopo vakudimba va Cape Town come back home because when you come back here and the rofano chua music lives here. Small Africa every day.